Hey everybody, Dan Holstein here, helping your business take flight. And today I want you to understand why your business needs a liberal dose of bug spray every week. So what am I talking about with bug spray? Well, think about your typical day. All the little urgencies and challenges and problems that crop up, aren't they a lot like little mosquitoes or black flies coming at you, coming in, taking a bite, stinging in the air, taking a bite, flying away, leaving you bleeding, leaving you annoyed and swatting and distracted, right? These are the issues that come at all business leaders regardless of your enterprise size. They're coming at you. Now, how do we get rid of them? Well, sometimes we're so busy swatting that we don't take the time to apply the bug spray, right? We need to get it on. And we're gonna get bit while that happens. And that's what we have to recognize. You know, some business owners I talk to, well, I'm too busy to work on that, solving that problem because I'm too busy dealing with it. I get it. You're gonna get bit while you apply. That's called a fact of life. You just have to deal with that, but you still need to apply the bug spray. In other words, you need to block the time every week to work on your top challenges, to be proactive and making sure that you're eliminating and diminishing the quantity of these bugs that are coming at you. Some examples I see on a regular basis are issues with service delivery. We have a problem getting the product or our service out to a client. The same little issues keep coming up and causing complaint areas. That's a great place to start. What's leading to it? Is it a checklist that's missing? Have we not trained our team well enough? Is there a process issue? Has the market changed? Have expectations changed? You need to take the time to stop and think about it, make some progress, a little update to your process, a bit of training, a communication, get some data gathered from your team. What's leading to this? Do the thinking time, and yeah, guess what? You're getting bit. You're having more problems while you're doing this reconnaissance and planning. It's just gonna happen, but you need to work through it so that you come out the other side with at least a fly swatter or some repellent so we can start eliminating some of these bug issues. So this week for you, what's the number one thing in your business that you'd wanna see eliminated because it's wasting your time, taking your focus and energy? That's where you wanna allocate your time towards working on. If you're not sure where to start because you're in like a black fly swarm and they're all coming at you, feel free to reach out. I've got lots of bug spray and I've got swatters too. I've got even a net I can help put over you. Let's have a chat. I'm happy to help out with you. Happy to help you. I got bugs coming at me now. I'm happy to help you out, have a chat, and help you understand what you need to work on first to start eliminating some of these bugs from your situation. So that's it. Have a great week, a bug-free week, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.